Right guys, so I just want to show you this quick chord progression because I think it's a good one. Now I use this when I'm backing students when they're practicing soloing and practicing the lead guitar. I use it quite a lot and it's one that always goes down really well. People enjoy playing over it, so I thought it'd be a good one to show you. So we're in the key of D minor, which as we all know is the saddest of all keys. And we're playing a D minor chord and we're essentially just going to be changing the bass notes of the chord shape, which is something that I like to do. So it's a D minor chord, which is the first finger on the first fret of the high E string, second finger of the second fret of the G string, and we usually can play the third finger on the third fret of the B string. But I often use my little finger to do this, and for this particular thing that I'm showing you, you will need it to be your little finger. Because we're going to be using this third finger to get up to this other note in a second. But that is actually a more comfortable shape for me personally, and it's just the exact same chord, just a different finger on that B string. So that's your first chord, D minor. Now all we're going to do is change the bass note to this. So now we're going to take the third finger, we're going to play the third fret of the A string, which is a C note. So we can say we're playing a D minor over a C. Then we're going to change to the B flat notes. We're going to take the first finger up to play the first fret of the A string. We can flatten the finger or play the high E string of the first fret to give it the exact same chord type. And then we're just going to go up to the G note, so third fret of the low E string. And essentially we're just applying implying this bass line. I quite like picking out the chords. About this as well is you can be quite creative with going into a sus2 for the D chord shape, the kind of the central chord that we're using, we're basing it on. So all that is taking that finger off, so we're playing the open E string. And I find that when you're making picking patterns, you can use that. And it sounds really nice, so you can go back and forth between this note and this note throughout the entire thing for any of the bass notes on there as well. So you could do something like this. Whatever you want, but it's just a really nice one to use and it's really nice to play over, and I think you could probably write some pretty decent songs out of it. So have fun with that one guys, I'll see you next time.